Today we want to introduce you our square bottom paper bag machine B400.
If you choose the machine model B400, that means you can produce almost 65% SOS bag in the market.
B400 is suitable for paper bag width 150 to 400 millimeters, paper bag gusset of 90 to 200 millimeters. Here are the sample bags.
The main advantage in our B400 machine is that we adopt a 7-set Japan brand servo motor for controlling bag forming. 7-set independent control servo motor as follows.
The servo motor controls the square bottom cut. This servo motor controls the traction part. This servo motor controls the main forming parts running. This servo motor controls bag bottom open. This servo motor controls bag bottom closed. This servo motor controls bottom gluing, let glue evenly.
That and this servo motor controls the bag tube length. This is our patented product. No other supplier has the same design as us. And because of this design, when you change different lengths of bag, you just set the number in the touch screen and cost about 1 minute enough. But without servo motor, you should cost more than 1 hour to adjust the elliptical gear and another mechanical part. It is waste too much time and asks for more skills and experiences.
Full servo motor control means that you can do the whole machine in linkage with one action on touch screen, or you can do each servo accurate adjustment by independent control. High precision, high efficiency, high intelligence is our biggest characteristics.
As I know, many customers worry about they don't have the experience and technology to operate our machine. Relax. Because of the servo motor or servo control, a lot of data we just need to input into the touch screen. Meanwhile, our program can be remotely controlled. Then our machines are getting easier and easier to operate. Our target is to play with our paper bag making machine like the way we play with our iPhones in the future.
In order to produce the world's more advanced paper bag machine, our company invested more than $20 million to import the world-class CNC center from Japan, Mozart and Okuma. That makes our paper bag machine mechanical parts processing accumulate error less than 0.1%. This is the main reason why our paper bag machine can running high speed for long time but still keep longevity.
Welcome to join us. Let's play with the world's more intelligent paper bag machine together. See you. Bye bye.